There comes a point in the manifestation process when your only job is to get the F out of the way. Okay, if this video is resonating with you, if you saw this title and you're like, oh yeah, I need to watch it, then stay tuned because I'm going to take some pressure off of your shoulders right now. I'm here to let you know you've done enough. If you're watching this channel, if you're watching videos like this, if you're working on your manifestations, if you're working on your mindset, chances are you've already done enough to manifest the thing that you want. Right now, your job is to learn how to receive. And receiving involves no longer trying to get the thing. There comes a point in the manifestation process when you have done enough, and now you need to merge into the next stage of doing. If you are a baker and the first part of your job is to gather the ingredients and put them together in their proper proportions, mix them up, and then put that mixture into the oven, you stop messing with ingredients after that, right? Like, then you move on. Then you start cleaning the kitchen. You start prepping to have a cake later. You're getting ready for the party. Your job has shifted from I am mixing the ingredients to make this thing happen to this thing is already underway. That is not a question anymore. The cake is in the oven and you know it's in there because you put it in there. You were there through the entire mixing process. You are the creator of the object that is coming out of that oven. If and only if you let it sit in that oven for the allotted time. Because if that cake needs to be in the oven for 45 minutes, you can't take it out in 20 minutes and expect there to be a cake. You will have a puddle of mush. You'll have cake batter. You'll have some weird amalgamation of flour, eggs, and sugar. So understand that your job as a manifester requires you to, yes, ask for the thing and then allow it to happen. You have to be able to receive, and receiving requires chilling. It requires you to not fuss about it. It lets you sit back stress-free and still receive the thing. You don't have to do the job of congealing egg, butter, and sugar into cake, right? You don't have to do the actual alchemy. That's not your job. You are the wizard, not the elements, right? The elements handle it. The universe handles the actual coalescing of the pieces. Your job is to direct the choir, right? You are there to say, this is what I want. These are the ingredients that I'm putting together. This is what I would like it to become. Thank you. Esther Hicks says, step 1, ask. Step 2, believe. Step 3, receive. And I know that belief part can be really difficult. It can be exactly where you start to falter. This is where you start to muddy things up. This is where you lose your cool. This is where you begin to doubt. Every time you're like, is it happening? Should I do something more? Do I need to do this? Should I have done that? Maybe I need to fix this. Maybe I need to add another ingredient. No, you're going to fuck the cake up. It doesn't need any of that. You're interfering with a process that you're supposed to be trusting. And this part of the manifestation is crucial because you are building self-trust. You're building your manifestation muscle. This is you lifting manifestation dumbbells. This is you saying, I fucking said so, so it's fucking coming, period. And that's all we're going to subscribe to. That's all we're going to believe in. We're not going to sit around in fear, in anxiety, in worry, in doubt, in stress, in mistrust, in disbelief. Those energies do not equate to fast, easy, quick manifestation. They are a mismatch. So if you actually want the thing and you want it to come, your job is to practice knowing that it's here, knowing that it's coming to you. Now, thank you for joining me for this episode of Roxy Talks. Of course, we are here to make sure that you are living the life your soul came here to live. I'm Roxy Lee, your favorite manifestation coach and dream self psychic. And my role is to make sure that you understand everything that's going on within you, in your mind, in your energy, your actions, all of the nuances of who you are. That's awareness over what you're creating and who you're being, the identity that you're living by. And then knowing exactly what to do to change the reality, to change your situation, to change your internal state, to change your external state. That's the discipline. Awareness and discipline, those are the cornerstones of my 360 method. And this is how you control reality. This is how you change your life. This is how you change the 3D, is by understanding what you're saying and what you're thinking about your situation, and then having the discipline to course correct if necessary, or to stay in the frequency that you need to be in. And this conversation right now is a conversation about owning and holding a frequency. It is about maintaining a very specific direction internally no matter what the external is doing. This is self-mastery. When you're able to look at your situation and say, okay, I have asked for XYZ to come to me. The 3D reality is what it is right now. That doesn't change who I am, how I'm behaving, what I'm believing in. I maintain a higher level focus. I maintain a specific frequency, knowing, trusting, believing that what I want is coming because I fucking asked for it and I'm the creator of this world. You know that you're the creator of your life. That's why you're watching this channel. That's why you're watching videos like this. And if you do like this video, you are enjoying it, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. I drop videos every Monday and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. PST. And I'm always chatting live during the premiere, so make sure you come say hi. And if you do enjoy this video, please consider liking and sharing. That helps us reach as many people as possible. And everybody needs to know this information, honestly, because so many people are walking around doubting, worrying, fearing, living in anxiety, actively living in it, which then means that you're actively creating more of it, because that's how reality creation works. Whatever's going on within you now is actually creating the future. I'll link a video above where I just talked about that. But the thing is if you are worrying, stressing, doubting because the thing that you want isn't here yet, you're creating more instances to not receive what you want. Not just this thing, other things, everything. If you have a consistent and or persistent belief that it's hard, it's not working, it's not here yet, I don't know when, how come, what do I do, should I, shouldn't I, did I do enough, do I need to do more? All of that stuff screams, I don't trust, I don't have, I don't know, it's not coming. And that is not the vocabulary of somebody who knows they're in control of their world. That is not the way somebody operates when they know that their thoughts are actively creating a 3D world. If you knew 24/7, if you were walking around with the knowledge that, okay, everything I think and say is creating my 3D reality, you would be a lot more specific and strict with your thoughts. Every sentence you think and say is creating your outer world. If you really truly understood the gravity of that and you went into your world for the next 24 hours, what kind of grade do you think that you would receive? Or better yet, if we went retroactively into your last 24 hours, do you think you would ace that with flying colors? Would you get an A++++? Would you get an F-? Would you fail the test completely? Would you be somewhere in the middle, living that mediocre life, continuing to experience mediocrity, 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 because that's all you're allowing yourself to think? And this is no judges, this is self-inventory. And I would love for you to comment down below. Let me know what resonates with you and where you think your mind is actually at most of the time. Because where your mind is at in the now moment, which is always, it's always now, that is what you're creating for your tomorrow. That is what's making your future. So if you want to get the things that you ask for, and not only get them, but you want to get them like in a relatively like soon time frame, you don't want to wait for fucking ever. You're not trying to wait years for the thing you want. You want to get this thing and then you want to move on to the next, and you want to get the next thing and you want to get the next thing, and you want to keep ascending through your life. If you want to actually feel good day to day and not be sitting in turmoil, worry, doubt, disbelief, all of the other things that who knows what it is that you're feeling, dissatisfaction, numbness, blah, like meh. If you don't want to live in that space, if you want to actually be somebody who knows their fucking power, who owns how badass they are, who knows that you and your work and your power and everything is so important, and that you are actively creating your world every single day and be able to own that identity, that's 360, baby. 360method.co. I'll leave it in the description below. But the idea behind it is that you're operating with a higher level awareness of who the fuck you are, where the fuck you are, and what the fuck you're doing. Who you are, God walking around in an electrified meat sack. That is what you are, okay? And God has powers. This may be a dense reality. Things may not happen immediately in front of your face, but they are shifting constantly. Things are always shifting and changing according to what you say and believe in your reality. So number one, you are the God of your reality. You are the one creating it, and you need to be aware of that and exercise that ability. Number two, where the fuck you are. You are on Earth. Earth is a simulation. It is an illusion. It is a projection. Nothing that appears solid actually is. Nothing that appears real and permanent actually is. This place is constantly reacting to you, shifting its building blocks for you constantly. That never goes away. You manifest constantly. Like I said, every thought you think and say is like a footstep on a path walking you in a direction to whatever reality you're describing. That never stops. It's never not been going on. It never will not be going on. It will always be the truth of who you are. That's what this realm is. Use it to your advantage. And number three, what the fuck you're doing. What are you doing with those thoughts? Where are your thoughts taking you? If every thought you think and say, every sentence that you think and say is a footstep on a path, where are your thoughts and sentences leading you? Walking that path for the next 24 hours, where do you get? What is your destination? And this is why 360 is so amazing and why I'm always talking about it, why I do it every single day, still after 7 years, and why I still teach my clients to do it every single day, and they've changed their lives multiple times over and over with it, is because the fundamentals of reality are not going to change. Like I said, this is planet Earth. Know your fucking role. You are the creator of your reality. That means you're always making it happen. It's always being projected from your awareness. What you think is happening, what you tell yourself is happening, is what happens to you next. It creates the wave of the future. And this is how you'll be able to control your reality and or chill while it's falling into place. Because you set the tone, you ask for what you ask for, and then it takes its cues from you. So if you say, I asked for this thing and I'm fucking getting it, you need to act like it in order to get it, because reality is following you at every second. You're changing reality in every moment. So you have to work on becoming somebody who knows, trusts, and believes that it's happening if you want things to go in your way the majority of the time. You're not perfect. The world is what it is. It's not to say that quote unquote bad things won't happen to you. It's to say that reality always rights itself. It always stands back up. It's like one of those those punching bags. It always stands back up, right? It always rights itself. Your reality rights itself according to what you say it's doing. And you don't want to just get the manifestation. You want to get the manifestation and enjoy yourself while you're doing it and love your life and live your life, right? Like you want to be happy and feel good while it's happening. You don't want to just get a thing and be miserable. You can receive the manifestation and still feel like shit because you're not trained to feel better. You're not trained to actually make good of any situation, even a good situation. That takes practice, awareness, and discipline. You have to know that you're doing it, and then you have to do something about it in the moment. Again, that's 360 method. So if you're here right now and this video spoke to you, then I want to say one thing, like maybe your next move is no fucking move at all. Maybe your next move is like sit back, relax, and let it happen. But that requires trust. It requires knowing. It requires belief. It requires stillness. It requires calm. It requires you to not feel like you have to put out every fire every time. Let the universe handle it. Let reality show you. Step back and trust and believe. And when your thoughts start to go dark, when your thoughts start to worry, doubt, fear, whatever, catastrophize, whatever it is that you do, that's where 360 comes in. That's when you start redirecting your thoughts, your sentences. Actually, I know what's happening for me. Actually, I've already asked and I trust that it's on its way. The universe always comes through. I always get what I want. I always get what I need. I always get what I want. I'm always surprised. Life gets better and better for me. Every day is a fucking joy. I'm having the time of my life just being me because life just keeps giving me more reasons to love myself and to love my life. That's an internal set point that you can live at every single day, no matter what's happening in your 3D. That's self-mastery. That is saying, I don't care what is externally going on. I know who the fuck I am. I know my power. And you're not gonna fucking catch me slipping. You're not gonna catch me thinking that not everything in the fucking world is working out in my favor. My favor? My favor? In my favor? In my reality? Absolutely fucking not. It's always working out in my favor. In my reality, it's my reality. And what I say goes, because I'm the fucking God of this thing. And it's always working out for me. So comment down below, I am the God of my reality and everything is always working out for me. I'm the God of my reality and everything is always working out for me. I want you to remember, say this every fucking day. Say this daily so that it becomes your sense of being. It becomes who you are, not just an affirmation that you're trying to make work for you. Every day, you should be practicing being the person you actually want to be, not the person that you wake up as. Again, that's what 360 method is. I'll leave it in a link below. And when I started out on this journey, I gave myself a 30-day challenge because I didn't want to react to my 3D for 30 days because I knew I would just be creating more instances to be pissed about. 6 days into that 30-day challenge, my fucking life changed. I was changed by it, okay? Literally, like, I became the person who is sitting here now. I became the person who's becoming this person, right? Like it fucking changed me to the core. And so I made it into a free download that you can download, 30 Days of Alignment. It's in the description below as well. It's free and I would love to hear how it works for you because I can tell you me and thousands of people have used it and it is life-changing. Once you learn how to stop reacting to your reality, and then if you go into 360 method and you actually master it, because 30 Days of Alignment became 360 method. I did 30 Days of Alignment for so long that it became its own thing. 360 top to bottom, inside and out, no days off, no thoughts off, no subjects off. So 30 days of alignment is the seed, 360 is the tree. It is the progression of beginning and then mastering yourself, mastering reality creation, mastering control over who you are and what you create. And I know that's your vibe because this is the kind of shit that you're watching on YouTube. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe so you never miss an update. I'm dropping videos every Monday and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. PST, and I'm always chatting live, so please come say hi. If there's someone you know and love that would benefit from hearing this video, please share this with them so that they can also have control over their reality and live a really fucking cool life. I love you so much. Thank you for joining me here. We're all raising our vibrations together. You have the power. I believe in you. I'll see you next time.